Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to photo on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a quick photo here. I'm going to take a quick photo of the sky. Alright, so here's the photo I've just taken. Now if I want to go ahead and add some text to it, what I need to do is click on the photo and then click on the pencil icon here. Then from here, we can resize the photo, etc. But we want to go ahead and click on that smiley face with a pencil there. So click onto that, and then it'll say draw stickers or text. Click onto text, and now I can type in anything like so. I can change the color, the font, and font like so. You can make it bigger, smaller. Yeah, so you can have a play around all the different settings here. Once you've added your text, just go ahead and click on done, and that's going to save it to your camera roll. And then click save. It might say to replace the original. No, it didn't. So there you go. How to add text to a photo inside your Android device.